Amy's Cookbook, Eat, Love, Gather, Volume 2. It came out on October 31st, her
And
second
Aviv, we have a
cookbook.
picture of it, don't we?
Yes,
Can we
and
give
it's
show a
currently
picture?
being sold on
Oh yeah, there it
Amazon.
is.
And wait for the code at the end of the show. We'll give you the code word to put in. And we can't say what that code word is yet, but hang on till the end and we'll have our little contest. So, but how exciting. We have the second cookbook out. That's been 2 years in the making. So,
Well, a couple of recipes that I've done, if people follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page, is that I made the chicken pumpkin curry soup. And it's so funny to go back to these recipes that I made, getting ready for this book a while ago, because I'm trying to, think of more recipes, newer recipes and everything. I thought, oh my gosh, I forgot how good this is. And when Chris loves
everything.
it, people,
Yes,
when Chris loves it, you all are going to love it.
it's so good.
And
So
I
good.
just remade my beef stroganoff. In fact, I tell you, social media, it's hard. I tried to do a reel on Instagram, but I think I need my daughter-in-law, Isabel, to come over here and say, can you remind me how to do that? Because I don't think I did it right. But anyway, it's on my Instagram. It's a post. Hopefully all of it is there. But I made the beef stroganoff. I thought, oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm like, I have to remake a lot of these recipes. And my next one I'm going to make is my pear ginger cake. It's just a 1-layer cake. So it's really, really easy. And I think all I
Yum.
did was sprinkle powdered sugar on it. I'm not sure. I got to go back to it. But it's got little sliced almonds on it. It is just so, so good.
You made that, yes, because that was one of the items you made when I was over and
Yeah.
tested it, I believe. So, yeah. So we put up, sorry, the QR code was at the bottom. If you just want to order it, order the cookbook for gifts, holiday, where it's in the making. There's the QR code right there. If somebody clicks on that QR code, it'll pop up to say somebody's looked at it. So, go ahead and use that to order directly to Amazon, and you can order your cookbook there.
Okay, sorry, I might have deleted the code, but I wanted to highlight BT Foster because they said they loved the cover of the cookbook. Well, people, you all helped us decide on what cover to put on this cookbook. So thank you for this cookbook
Yes.
cover.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Yep. So
So thank you.
amazing. So, well, Jackie Rydell says, Chris, Chris seems so positive about your dishes. Hello, the guy's getting gourmet food, comfort food cooked for him every night. What the heck? He should be happy about it. Yum.
Okay, listen, I do have to say something because I came home late I took a road trip up to Spokane and I came home late and I wasn't very hungry and, stuff like that. And so he opens up a can of
Can. You had me at can.
of
Ooh.
chunk
Of
of
what?
chunky Campbell. I think it was sirloin beef soup, or whatever.
Where did he get
And,
it?
it's not bad,
Hey,
but
quick, easy.
it was quick dinner and everything. He goes, "Oh, do you want some?" And I thought, sure, why not? Just a little bowl and everything. But I thought it was so cute because I'm like, I am so used to making my own food. Usually I am.
Yes.
Sometimes I
Yes.
use other like services sometimes to, when it gets kind of busy or, when I'm just like crammed with either writing a recipe or something, those kind of help too. But I prefer
Yeah.
to make my own food. I am
Absolutely.
enjoying revisiting these recipes in this cookbook. And I think you guys are really, really going to like it. They're not
Yes.
complicated. They're, I don't want to say they're simple, but they're easy to make. Most of the ingredients, in fact, all of the ingredients you can find in any grocery store.
It's
Um,
simple comfort food.
so
I
yeah.
love it. Well, thanks, Annette, for ordering. She's waiting for hers to arrive in the mail. That's
Oh,
awesome.
good.